British Defense Secretary Ben Wallace said that almost the entire Russian army is involved in the war in Ukraine for BBC Radio 4. Commenting on Moscow's offensive strategy, Wallace said Russia had failed to muster a unified force to break through Ukraine's defenses. Rather, we just saw efforts to move forward. It cost a huge price for the Russian army. According to our estimates, 97% of the Russian army, the entire Russian army, is in Ukraine, the British minister said. By helping Ukraine defeat Russia in Ukraine, the West is strengthening home security, he said. If 97% of the Russian army is now in Ukraine, with a very, very high level of outflow of personnel, potentially their combat capability is reduced by 40%, and almost 2/3 of the tanks are destroyed or destroyed, this has a direct impact on the security of Europe, he said. I think what Russia is doing in trying to move forward is doing almost World War I levels, with attrition rates and success rates measured in meters rather than kilometers, Wallace said. According to him, the biggest factor of uncertainty is the Russian leaders, who are either out of touch with reality or do not consider human lives in Russia. And let's see some action. This is artillery attack on Russians in Bakhmut. And this is another fire in Moscow, now the train repair facility burned overnight. The Russians are fighting over garbage cans. Well, at least in some battles they have success.
Конечно, воры. А кто вы же есть-то? Вы сами настоящие воры. Воруете чужое имущество. Оставь, Анюта! Да боже мой! Анюта, оставьте, говорят!
Russian propagandists admit that Russian industry is experiencing a shortage of components and is lacking resources. Do they still believe sanctions don't work?
Я представитель двух отраслевых ассоциаций, я не знаю, как у нас проблемы с комплектующими, вы лучше меня знаете, вы расскажете. Соответственно, у меня сейчас все промышленные предприятия испытывают дичайший дефицит ресурсов.
Все это в каких сферах? Вы говорите?
В производстве комплектующих, станкостроения, машиностроения, сельскохозяйственное машиностроение, специальное машиностроение, оборудование для пищепереработки. Это те, которых я лично знаю, с которыми я вот постоянно общаюсь. Соответственно, у нас дефицит оборотных средств.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.